Now we'll discuss, dear students, now we'll discuss the area enclosed by two curves. Simply, we will go through some problems regarding this. Find area enclosed by first bit y equal to sin x, comma y equal to cos x and x is equals to 0. Second bit y square equal to 4ax and x square equals to 4ay. Third bit y square is equal to 4a into x plus a and x square is equals to 4a into a minus x. Y square is equals to 4a into y minus x. Right? Come to first bit. Y equal to sin x curve is what? You can make a table to find the curve y equal to sin x. This curve is y equal to sin x. This is pi. This is 2 pi. Pi by 2 it is 1 maximum and 3 pi by 2 it is minus 1 it is go. And y equal to cos x. Y equal to cos x. X value 0, cos 0 is 1. X pi by 2, cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 what? Cos pi by 2 is 0. So the curve will be like this. Cos pi minus 1, cos 3 pi by 2 0 like this. So you have to determine the area bounded by y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x and x is equal to 0. So boundaries are y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x and x is equal to 0. So this part of area is to be determined. This part of area is to be determined. Y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x and x is equal to 0. So you must need the endpoints of the curve. Endpoint of the curve to be determined. A curve ର endpoint ଟାକୁ determine କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. So which area is to be determined? O area is to be determined. For this we must need the point B. To find point B, y equal to sin x and that point y is equal to also cos x. Sin x by cos x means tan x is equal to 1. So x is equal to pi by 4 or 45 degree. In between 0 and pi by 2, so it is must be pi by 4. But if it is after pi, then it is 5 pi by 4. Why? Because tan 5 pi by 4 is also 1. So x is equal to pi by 4. If x is equal to pi by 4, then y equal to sin pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. So the point B has coordinate pi by 4 and 1 by root 2. This point, A point coordinate has 0 1 and origin has coordinate 0 0. Now look at, we have to determine the area. O area is to be determined. Let us draw a point perpendicular. This is M point. O area minus OBM area. Then you will get this area. OABMO area minus OBM area, then you will get the area of AOB, right? So area of AOB curve is equals to area of OABMO minus area of OBMO. This is upper curve is cos x, lower curve is sin x. So it is cos x minus sin x into dx and the upper curve cos x curve varies from dx means x coordinate to x coordinate 0 to pi by 4. Lower curve is 0 to pi by 4 also. So it is 0 to pi by 4 cos x dx minus 0 to pi by 4 sin x into dx. So cos x integration cos x minus sin x into dx integration. Cos x integration is sin x integration is minus cos x. So sin x plus cos x and it is from 0 to pi by 2. That is sin pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 minus sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin pi by 2 1, cos pi by 2 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 1. So this is so sorry, this area is 0 to pi by 4 because here is pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4 and it is also 0 to pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 minus sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 minus sin 0 0, cos 0 1 minus 1. This is 2 by root 2 means root 2. The final answer is root 2 minus 1 square unit. Right? This is the area bounded by the two curves y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x, x is equal to 0. Similarly, you can do the other two bits. Thank you.